All right, the rooms have finally opened, so now let's do a quick tour of Stateroom 9298, which is an aft balcony cabin. Now, one thing you notice upon entering the cabin is all the lights are off and they don't work. That's because you got to have some kind of key card to go in the key slot, and voila, let there be light. So upon entering the cabin here, you have 3 hooks for towels. You have all of your safety information. As you see, we are here in the aft on deck 9, the Alhambra. Here we have our bathroom, which is quite nice and luxurious. Coming from an RV, this is a nice bathroom. Huge shower, big guy coming through. Glass door, love it. Look, big guy. Can you see the big guy there? There's a big guy, there's a big guy. Big guy, I'm trapped in a box. I'm in a whirlwind of emotion. Anchorman, did you ever see that movie? Okay, wonderful toilet toothbrush holders. That's like unheard of on a cruise ship. I love this design. So angular. Totally angular, bro. Yeah, great. I love it. I love the bathroom. Everything's really clean. The mirror is super clean. Super clean. Okay. Exiting the commode, the head, the bathroom, if you will. This is your thermostat, and as a father, I command you, do not touch this. You can make up the room or a do not disturb. There's 3 lights on the outside here, boom, 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 and those let your room steward know what's going on. This is your light to the bathroom. This is the light to the rest of the cabin. So we have a couch, a bed, a desk, a fridge, a mirror with a handsome man trapped inside. Help me, help me. We have a tiny television. Then over here we have our armoire or closet or whatever you call it. So we have a shelf with a safe, shelf with a drawer, and another drawer, and a place for shoes. Now you can barely get in here, but never fear, there's a whole nother side, which is nice. Hanging stuff, that's cool. Long hanging things for those people that like elegant dresses. It's cactus themed. It's a spiky room. Watch out, it'll get you. That man trapped in the mirror, he's a spiky boy. Lots of paperwork that talk about things. Breakfast. This is included. That's not included. We have an internet package. Apparently Carlos is our cabin attendant. Pretty cool. Mini bar. And prices. This was on the door, meaning it was cleaned. Ice. I haven't seen that in a while. My Insta360 cam. I just did a 360 tour of the room. Insta360, if you're watching, sponsor me, my guy. A phone that Madison's going to want to push all the buttons, so I kind of want to unplug it and just take it away. Here is the mini bar. Stacked with things for various prices. We're going to shut that. Then we're going to shut this. And we are never going to open you again. We have a trash bin here with separators for trash, recycling, all that good stuff. And we have a hairdryer in your little desk here. And then that's your desk stand. You do have 2 international plugs, a USB, and 2 US household plugs. So a good selection there, not too bad. You are allowed to bring a power strip on board. They prefer it not to be a surge protector, but just a power strip. So I have a circular power strip with 4 US outlets and 3 USBs on it because I have a lot of cameras to charge. So I usually bring that, and I've never had any problems. So, okay. We are going to have Madison sleep on the couch. So the couch is going to go from couch to bed. At some point, we're going to tell Monsieur Carlos to bed that couch, if you will. So here it is as a couch. I'm going to do a transition there to when it's a bed. Okay, onward and upward, my friends. We have some MSC towels. This is Madison's bracelet because she is a bebe. So we have to put that on her. So that's in case she gets lost, who she belongs to, etc. We have some lights here. Oh, that's our master. We have a reading light, and we have a mood light. I don't know. We got lots of lights, lots of pillows. This looks like my house before we sold it. How many pillows can you have on a bed? And then this is the whole reason we really got this cabin to begin with. The Aft Balcony. Oh. I do think this is a very large bed. It looks kind of like a king, but it might be a queen, and I'm just ignorant. Look at that. Boom. So we are still in port, but one of the biggest things I love about big cruise ships is when you're out on the high seas watching the trail as we're just beaming through the open ocean. Now I don't have to go to a different deck. I could do it right here in my birthday suit, which sounds tip-top. So that concludes the tour of Aft Balcony Cabin 9298 aboard the MSC Meraviglia. We're here in Port Canaveral, but we shall be leaving soon, and I am looking forward to hitting the high seas. It's been a while. I have missed cruising. Let's go.